Hello, my friends. Phil Pravda here. Hope everybody is doing well on this amazing day in November because it's so warm. It's amazing that it's almost 80 degrees in New York at the beginning of November, but here we are, and lots of new fall merchandise coming in for customers, an amazing amount of suits and jackets coming in, and I want to try and make these videos before I have to get the delivery to the customers. So we have 3 jackets and 3 pants I want to show you today. The pants are not really any big deal, flannels, but nice colors. But I want to show you these jackets because these are 3 really nice jackets. 3 of the most nicest jackets I've made in a while. I think you're going to really, really like them, and they're for a very special customer. So let's get right to it. Here we go. Welcome back, everybody. And by the way, how do you like this suit? That's the comments that I want in the comments. Do you like my suit? It's not black. It's navy blue, pinstripe, double-breasted, of course. Today I'm wearing it with two-tone shirt, multi-stripe shirt, white collar, and white cuffs. I hope you like it. I like this tie with it. This tie is like a silvery gray. It has little blue dots to go with the navy and the blue stripes that are in this shirt that I have on today. So I hope you like this. It's bold, no question, but it's New York, so it goes. First jacket, I want to show you this right here. Beautiful jacket we got here for a customer. This is forest green Donegal. Donegal, of course, from the UK. Going to show it to you right here. Do a little up close so you can really see that pattern. I really like Donegal. This is nice and soft. It's not that heavy. Some Donegals very heavy, not this one. And this one really, really nice. Of course, all working open buttonholes here. We put on these horn buttons in sort of this tannish, marbleized fashion, and a beautiful lining. As you could see, we did this dark green, foresty green, paisley liner in here. This is just a black flannel pant. Doesn't necessarily go with this jacket. He just bought 3 trousers, 1 in black flannel, 1 in charcoal gray flannel, and 1 in navy flannel. So we can mix and match between all the different jackets that there are. But this is the first one. And of course, we did the patch pockets. So you have patch pockets right here on the bottom and breast pocket there. And there you have, let me move it in the middle here for you. You can see it a little better, even though I block myself, no problem. And there you have the first jacket there that we did. All hand sewn, all hand stitched on the lapels all the way around. And of course, side vents in the back. Everything we're making always with side vents. Show you the second jacket right now. And by the way, this one, the one that I just showed you, that's silk and wool. So it's silk and wool together, 80% wool, 20% silk. Here we have a beautiful houndstooth. Houndstooth, again, very popular this season. I'll hold it steady so you can see. This is like a copper to a burnt orangey color. And the houndstooth check is a bluish gray. Really a beautiful jacket. Is it tilted or it's my way I'm holding it is tilted? Beautiful jacket, and we did a really nice lining. This one again with patch pockets. You could see right here, full patch pocket. And I'll show you the lining on the inside. It's like a little small neat check pattern. I always go the wrong way. There you go. Complements the houndstooth very, very nicely. Again, peninsula pockets like you've seen in my past jackets as well. And again with side vents. The flannel pant we have under here, that's the charcoal. So a very nice Super 120 charcoal gray flannel in flat front, of course. We're still doing flat fronts, although in Italy they're showing a few pleats here and there, but not yet here. Not yet here. So the buttons that we chose on this one, also a horn button. These are real open working buttonhole, so all these buttonholes open on the sleeves. Beautiful horn button with a marbleized fashion, so you have brown and beige all mixed together there in the button, and it complements this jacket very, very nicely. Now the last one, the pièce de résistance, Loro Piana fabric. Now, for those of you who know Loro Piana, probably the best fabric in the world, made in Italy, of course, as all these things are. This is wool and cashmere. Loro Piana fabric, beautifully made. Look how all the plaids line up. On the breast pocket, they line up on the, we did flat pockets on this one, not a patch. So also lines up beautifully right here. I'll move it a little bit more in the center so you can see this one better and a little closer. It's like the color is like a baby blue and chocolate brown, plaid and window pane. And we did a beautiful lining inside with the sort of the soft brown and the medallions on the inside there. Beautiful lining. Came out really nice. The trousers, not necessarily to go with this, but this is the, it's either the navy or the black flannel. Can't really tell which one it is, but it's not necessarily to go with this jacket. And again, with side vents, of course. So this one is a beauty. I mean, the cashmere just makes it feel very, very soft. And what kind of button? Oh, here we have a sort of like a reddish chestnut button on there. The center is a little more brown, complements it very, very nicely. And of course, all open working buttonholes on this one too. So there you have it. You have the 3 newest jackets made custom for customers with 3 matching pants. I hope you like my new suit. I'm going to wear it tonight to an event, so I thought I want to look a little more, power suit. That's this. You walk in a room, they go, who's that guy? Right? So there you have it right here. So we had a couple more unboxings to do. We made some hunting jackets. Those have arrived. We're going to do a video with those hunting jackets. And we have a couple new suits and a new suit. If you remember my video on my stretch raincoat that I did in the summer, look that up, because that raincoat you can wear anytime. Has no lining, no padding, super lightweight. Roll it up in a ball, keep it in a backpack. I have a separate video on it. I made a whole suit out of that fabric, that raincoat fabric, and it's a super stretch lightweight suit, and you're going to like the video on that one too. So thanks for watching. Hit the notification bell. Please subscribe for more unboxing videos of custom made clothing, and see you all again when I'm back at it.